Every hour you spend obsessing over cleaning is an hour you are losing out on building a stay-at-home mom income that actually protects your family. Your pursuit of a spotless house is bankrupting your future. You are trading irreplaceable cognitive energy for a clean floor. This is the crisis behind stay-at-home mom income. The friction begins the moment you wake. You manage operations for a complex household, yet you perceive your output as basic maintenance. This is a structural flaw. Maintenance is a depreciating action. It requires constant input for zero financial return. You clean the kitchen gets dirty. The cycle demands your attention. It consumes your focus, it erases your leverage. Most people do not realize that scrubbing is a distraction. It provides the illusion of productivity, it masks the reality of economic stagnation. You are a logistics manager performing entry-level manual labor. You are organizing toys while your capital-generating potential sits dormant. The transition from traditional work to the home environment creates a vacuum. Society defines your new role through domestic output. You internalize this metric. You measure your worth by the lack of dust. You measure your success by the silence of a managed house. This is the loss of self. You become a function of the environment. You cease to be a creator of value. Notice this pattern. The modern economy operates on specialized knowledge. It rewards the structured deployment of attention. Your attention is fractured by laundry. To reclaim your motherhood is to reclaim your time allocation. Motherhood is leadership. It is not perpetual servitude to inanimate objects. When you spend for hours managing mess, you forfeit for hours of system building. This is the opportunity cost of domestic perfection. The traditional work model extracts value from your presence. The home environment extracts value from your exhaustion. Both are flawed paradigms. We must introduce a recalibration. You require a shift from physical maintenance to digital leverage. The mechanism for this shift is the quiet leverage loop. The quiet leverage loop requires a fundamental separation. You must separate your identity from the visual state of your living room. A home is a dynamic space. It will generate entropy. You cannot outwork entropy. You must outsmart it. You establish boundaries. You allocate specific, non-negotiable blocks of time for the quiet leverage loop. These blocks are protected assets. During these blocks, the dishes wait, the laundry sits. You step out of the maintenance cycle. You enter the creation cycle. Have you noticed how your time disappears before noon? Share your experience. The quiet leverage loop identifies your existing knowledge. You possess operational skills. You possess deep understanding of niche markets. You translate these assets into digital formats. You structure them into marketable systems. This is the foundation of stay-at-home mom income. It is the conversion of tacit knowledge into explicit, scalable value. You build an audience. You offer solutions. You create digital products. You offer consulting. You construct systems that operate while you tend to your children. You build income that is decoupled from your physical labor. It is commonly seen that the barrier to entry is low. The barrier to persistence is formidable. Persistence requires focus. Focus requires tools. You cannot build a digital empire using mental notes and scraps of paper. Consider the integration of analog time blocking planners. The physical act of writing secures the cognitive commitment. It removes the friction of digital distraction. A high-density planning system anchors your leverage hours. It is an operational necessity. The description below holds pathways to secure these structures. The analog planner acts as a cognitive external drive. It frees your mind from holding tasks. It allows your mind to process strategy. Strategy is the currency of the home economy. You cannot strategize while overwhelmed by minor details. You must view your time through an economic lens. An hour spent organizing a closet yields a tidy closet. An hour spent refining a digital product yields compounding returns. The shift is jarring. It feels irresponsible to ignore the mess. This is the societal programming fighting your autonomy. You must confront the programming. You must accept a baseline of acceptable disorder. Perfection is the enemy of leverage. This is a perception shift. You are not neglecting your home. You are optimizing your resource allocation. You are elevating your role from caretaker to architect. You are designing a life that supports both your family and your independence. The quiet leverage loop requires isolation of variables. You test a product. You measure the response. You iterate. This scientific approach removes emotion from the income process. It treats failure as data. It treats success as a replicable formula. You observe the market. You identify friction points. You provide the lubrication. This is how value is created. Value is the alleviation of a specific pain for a specific group. Your unique position provides insight. You understand the pain points of your demographic. You can speak their language. You translate your struggles into their solutions. This is the alchemy of the modern creator economy. The tools are accessible, the platforms are established. The missing component is your structural commitment. Notice the tension. You desired the income. You resist the required change in routine. You cling to the comfort of the maintenance cycle. The maintenance cycle is predictable. Building an income system is uncertain. The brain prefers predictable misery over uncertain opportunity. You must override this neurological default. You must force the adaptation. The adaptation requires a shedding of old metrics. You no longer measure a good day by a spotless kitchen. You measure it by tasks completed within the quiet leverage loop. Did you draft the email sequence? Did you outline the module? Did you engage with the target community? These are the metrics of autonomy. These are the markers of a reclaimed identity. Motherhood is not a barrier to economic participation. It is a filter. It demands ruthless efficiency. It demands the elimination of noise. You strip away the superfluous. You focus only on actions that move the needle. You become a minimalist of effort and a maximalist of impact. This is the essence of the home-based system. It is a lean operation designed for maximum output with minimal input. You leverage automation. You leverage algorithms. You leverage your unique voice. The return on investment is not just financial. It is psychological. It is the restoration of your self-worth. You realize you are capable of generating value outside of your domestic duties. You possess agency. This agency bleeds into your parenting. You model independence. You model resilience. You model the pursuit of purpose. Your children observe this pursuit. They internalize the value of focused effort. They witness the creation of a life by design. This is a legacy far more valuable than a perpetually clean house. It is the transmission of a powerful operational mindset. The traditional view isolates the mother. It confines her to the domestic sphere. The new paradigm connects her to the global market. You operate from your living room. You transact across continents. You build a microeconomy within your walls. The scale is limited only by your capacity to structure your attention. We see this repeatedly. The mothers who succeed are not the ones with the most time. They are the ones with the most boundaries. They protect their leverage hours with hostility. They understand that their time is their capital. They do not bleed capital on tasks that can be ignored, delegated, or automated. They invest their capital in systems that scale. This requires a difficult conversation with yourself. You must admit that the continuous cleaning is a coping mechanism. It is a way to avoid the fear of failure. It is easier to wash the floor than to launch the product. The floor provides immediate, visible results. The product requires sustained, invisible effort before yielding a return. You must delay gratification. You must build the invisible architecture. The architecture consists of your landing page, your email list, your content funnel. These are the load-bearing walls of your new economy. You construct them brick by brick during your protected hours. You do not rush the process. You ensure structural integrity. A flawed system will collapse under pressure. A solid system will withstand the chaos of family life. It is a paradox. To be a more present mother, you must be a more selfish creator. You must claim your space. You must defend your focus. This is the core tenet of the identity integration layer. Your economic autonomy is intertwined with your maternal presence. When you are fulfilled, you are patient. When you are financially secure, you are calm. The anxiety of dependency is removed. The resentment of unfulfilled potential is dissolved. You operate from a position of strength. You dictate the terms of your engagement with the world. The transition is gradual. It begins with a single hour of reclaimed time. It expands as the systems prove their viability. You observe the compounding effect. Small daily actions accumulate into significant weekly results. The momentum shifts. The income begins to flow. The initial returns may be small. They represent proof of concept. They represent the breaking of the traditional dependency model. You have created money from the ether of your attention. This is a profound realization. It alters your trajectory forever. The concept of stay-at-home mom income evolves from a myth into a structural reality. You refine the process. You optimize the funnel. You increase the conversion rate. You are no longer a victim of your environment. You are the architect of your economy. This is the ultimate expression of leverage. You have transformed the constraints of motherhood into a strategic advantage. You have built a quiet fortress of income. If you value building income from your time at home, comment leverage. And consider subscribing to protect your most valuable system, your time. The information provided in this material is intended solely for educational and strategic purposes. It does not constitute financial, legal, or medical advice. You should consult with qualified professionals before implementing structural changes to your routines or financial systems.